Hey there, and welcome to Oakland Park. I am in a new home community called Oak Tree by Pulte Homes, and they are in their final closeouts here. They only have 8 models available and 1 townhome left. This is the Leland model. It's a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath. There's 7 other single-family home models, and the prices here range from $680,000 to about $1.2 million. If you act fast before July 23rd, there's a special incentive of 5.25% interest rate on some of these new homes, and others have a $20,000 incentive for your upgrades and finishes. So let's go on inside and take a look. A shot of me walking. This single-story Mystique model, like all the other models here, are smart homes and come with Wi-Fi technology and keyless deadbolts, along with smart thermostats. And this Mystique model is a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath plus den. So have they all been spec'd out, or is there still
There's still
lots where people can choose their model?
Yes.
Okay.